Alright, y'all. This is a little education for you do-it-yourselfers. Do not ever underestimate the sound of a jacked up U-joint. It sounds like hell. I have a 2015 Silverado 1500, 5-inch lift, 35-inch tires. Sounded like transfer case transmission. Something was shot. Completely bad. Diagnosed it to the rear of the drive line. The U-joints were fucking shot. Check this out. That is a dry. Look at that. You see that? That is demolished metal. So, change your U-joints regularly. If you put a lift on your truck, do it ASAP. Re-gear your rear end and front end. If you're going to do the back, do the front. Peace.